Hey guys, so today I want to show you how to create a correlation matrix in R. It's really pretty simple, although there are a few tips and tricks that I'm going to give you along the way that will help you whenever you go to create your own correlation matrix in R. Now, this is the most basic way that you can perform a correlation matrix. In future videos, I'm going to show you some more ways that we can perform some more advanced features, but this will at least get you going. And from here you can do many more things. So first of all, we're going to be working with this data set we've worked with in the past that's similar to my Journal of Business Research article. It has some data about virtual reality, and what we're going to do is we're going to use the items here that go from Q3.1 to Q3.1_5. So we'll use that, and just to make this a little bit easier on ourselves, what I'd like to do is first subset the data. And so I've already written out some of the code, and I've shown you in a previous video how to subset data before, but this is another way that you could do it, and this is the way that I did it for this video. So we'll go ahead and run that, and that gives us a new data set that just has our Q3.1 to 5. Now what we want to do is we want to create that correlation matrix, and by doing this, it's only going to create the correlation matrix with complete observations. Now, this data set does have some missing data in it, and so that's why we're using the complete obs function within the correlation function. And all of these right here, this is within the normal R environment, so you don't have to load any extra packages. It's already there preloaded for you. So we'll go ahead and run this, and this spits out the correlation matrix. Now, if we want to go ahead and have this matrix in the R environment, it's pretty simple for us to do that. We can go core_Q3, and we will do the symbol there. And it's very simple for us to just copy and paste this here, and that provides us the ability for that to be in the R environment. So we can look at that, and it's now loaded there. Now, what would happen if we say, for instance, we didn't include the use complete obs? So what do you think might happen? Well, the biggest thing that would happen is we'll see here is that R is unable to calculate the correlation matrix because R uses complete observation. So today I've shown you a few things: how to subset a data set in a different way, how to print out a correlation matrix in the R console, and then also save your correlation matrix into the R global environment. If you have any questions about correlation matrices in R, feel free to email me at kt.manus@ttu.edu.